likely somewhat on the rise, especially since her divorce from ex-Johnny Depp and her deeply traumatic defamation lawsuit are both over. When the couple first split in 2016, Heard accused Depp of domestic violence and filed a restraining order against the actor. Depp later sued The Sun and its parent publisher for libel for calling him a wife-beater, which he lost, and the Pirates of the Caribbean star was denied an appeal in the case. Depp then sued Heard for $50 million for defamation stemming from a 2018 op-ed she wrote for The Washington Post in which she never names Depp but describes the public consequences she faced as a survivor of alleged sexual violence. Heard countersued for $100 million, alleging that Depp's lawyer Adam Waldman defamed her when he said her domestic violence allegations were a hoax. On June 1, 2022, Depp and Heard's highly publicized trial finally ended. In the verdict, Depp was awarded $10 million in compensatory damages and $350,000 in punitive damages in his defamation claim against Heard. Heard was awarded $2 million for one of her 3 defamation claims against Depp. While Heard initially filed to appeal the decision in December 2022, she announced that she reached a settlement with Depp, largely because of the financial setbacks she suffered as a result of the trial. While praising the outcome of Depp's defamation suit against The Sun in the UK, in which she was not a defendant, but a witness, contrary to many memes and TikTok talking heads' beliefs, Heard pointed out the difference in permissible evidence, as well as sensitivity to survivors, in the U.S. trial, in which she was both a defendant and plaintiff in her countersuit against Depp. I exhausted almost all my resources in advance of and during a trial in which I was subject to a courtroom in which abundant, direct evidence that corroborated my testimony was excluded, and in which popularity and power mattered more than reason and due process, she wrote in part. In the interim, I was exposed to a type of humiliation that I simply cannot relive. She added, "For too many years I have been caged in an arduous and expensive legal process, which has shown itself unable to protect me and my right to free speech. I cannot afford to risk an impossible bill, one that is not just financial but also psychological, physical, and emotional. Women shouldn't have to face abuse or bankruptcy for speaking her truth, but unfortunately it is not uncommon.